She wets her socks with this liquid before she goes to sleep. The effects are amazing. Sleep is extremely important for all of us. While we sleep, our organism is recharging its batteries so we will have enough energy for the whole day. Lack of sleep can be really dangerous and it can cause some serious health problems. An average adult person spends 1/3 of his/her life sleeping. But many people around the world are having problems with sleeping. There are many different things that can cause insomnia, such as stress, depression, anxiety, problems at work, etc. You should also know that some drugs and medications can also be a cause for insomnia, such as heart medications, blood pressure medications, pain medications, antihistamines, etc. So if you are having sleeping problems, you should definitely try this simple sock trick. First, you should know that wearing socks before going to bed will keep your feet warm. And this will also help to dilate the blood vessels within your feet, which help you fall asleep faster. A recent study has found a correlation between the dilation of blood vessels in extremities, vasodilation, and the speed at which you fall asleep. Well, this actually means that if your feet are warm, you will sleep much better. Prevent night sweat and hot flash. You should know that wearing socks while you sleep can help you sleep much better by preventing hot flashes and night sweats. Socks can help you regulate your body's temperature, and socks can be an ideal solution to help resolve minor hot flashes without more extreme options like hormone replacement therapy. Improve dry skin. People who experience bouts of dry skin may find that they wake with cracked, dry feet. Well, this usually happens in the cold winter months when temperatures drop. Note, this may lead to soreness. So make sure you apply a good and effective moisturizer to your feet before sleep and put on some clean socks, 100% cotton. This method will help you prevent dry feet in the morning. You should definitely try this simple treatment, but don't forget you must use cotton socks for this treatment. If you are having fever, you should soak your socks in apple cider vinegar and put them on before you go to sleep. Apple cider vinegar is effective in boosting blood flow and reducing your fever. This effective method will also strengthen your immune system and help ease the breaking down of waste products. You will wake up refreshed and full of energy. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Put cabbage leaves onto your chest and legs before you go to sleep if you experience frequent headaches. Did you know that cabbage leaves have the same properties as magnets? They pull out all the diseases and ailments from our bodies. Cabbage is a super healthy vegetable which is used as a great ingredient for making different types of meals and salads. But you should also know that this veggie is also very useful and beneficial for other health conditions such as swelling caused by traumas. You should know that cabbage leaves are very useful and effective in reducing swelling. You should wrap some fresh cabbage leaves on your hands or your legs, on the area where they began to swell. You need to secure them with a bandage. You can do the same thing if you have painful ankles or if you have problems with swollen legs. And you should also know that if you want to get the best results from this cabbage treatment, then you should sleep with the cabbage compress. The next morning when you wake up, you should remove the cabbage compress and you will notice that the swelling is completely gone. Share this trick with your friends. Thyroid gland. We all know how important the thyroid gland is for all of us. It's extremely important because of its hormones, which aid growth, metabolism, functioning, and the functioning of the organs in the digestive system. If you want to treat your thyroid gland so it can restore its normal functions, just follow these simple instructions. Here's what you need to do: just put some cabbage leaves on your throat where the thyroid gland is located. Then you should cover the leaves with a bandage or a shawl. Make sure you sleep with the compress on your gland and remove it in the morning. Repeat this treatment for the next 10 days until you notice some improvements. Headaches. Sometimes if you have a terrible headache, it may indicate that something is wrong with your eyes. Or this terrible headache can be also related to excessive stress or tiredness. So if you want to get rid of it in all natural way, then you need to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do: you need to apply a compress from fresh cabbage leaves on your temples and on the upper part of your head. Then you should put on a cap or a hat so you will keep the leaves secured. Remove them when your headache is completely gone. Pain due to breastfeeding. Some women experience terrible and strong pain while they are breastfeeding. So they can relieve that pain by putting compresses from fresh cabbage leaves onto their breasts and their pain will go away. Note, you can do this treatment during the day or apply them before you go to sleep and remove them when you wake up in the morning. You will notice that your pain will be gone. As you can see, this super healthy veggie can provide many useful benefits for you, especially in relieving pain and swelling. So if you experience any type of swelling or a headache, or you just want to improve your thyroid's health, then you should definitely try cabbage compresses. You will be amazed by the results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.